Welcome aboard China Southern Airlines flight CZ398, the important Southeast Asian connection linking the Philippines' vibrant capital to China's southern gateway. Flying from Manila, Ninoy Aquino International Airport to Guangzhou, Baiyun International Airport aboard the reliable Boeing 737-800 with winglets. This beautiful regional journey spans approximately 1,278 kilometers across the South China Sea, with a flight duration of 2 hours and 35 minutes. A perfect evening connection between Southeast Asia and Southern China, representing China Southern's commitment to Philippines-China connectivity. Experience this magnificent South China Sea adventure with Wavana, where Filipino hospitality meets Chinese dynamism.